and later released. Ken Kashuhi, KTN News.
As Kenyans continue to grapple with the high cost of living, a group of leaders under Kamwene Unity Forum has vowed to move to court to challenge the high government's appetite for taxes. According to the group, there is need to cap the amount of taxes that the government imposes on Kenyans. Grace Nganga reports.
The fight to cushion Kenyans from high taxation by the Kenya Kwanza government will be taken to the corridors of justice. Kamwene Unity Forum, that is fronted by NAK Kenya party leader Martha Karua and former Ndaragwa Member of Parliament Jeremiah Kioni, say they will go the legal route in stopping the government from what they call huge amount of taxes. This, they say, they hope to do so through presentation of a constitutional petition.
We want to set a constitutional limit as to how much money the government can come into your salary as direct taxation. Yes. Because this government has gotten to a point where they think they have a right over your salary. They've gotten to a point where they can go to a 70% if they wanted.
This even as the issue of the high cost of living became a bone of contention between Azimio and Kenya Kwanza representatives at the bipartisan talks last week that almost ended in blows. Kioni, who is the chair of the technical committee, left the bipartisan talks meeting after a heated verbal exchange between him and East Africa Legislative Assembly Iela Member of Parliament Hassan Omar.
We gave our proposal that we need a limit as to how much a person can be taxed in this Kenya. And that is what I was telling you. When we gave that proposal, we were told it is a pedestrian way of thinking. So hivi karibuni tutakuja kujua ni nani pedestrian kuliko ule mwingine, kwa sababu serikali Kenya si yetu, Kenya ni ya Wakenya.
Petition inaenda kotini next week.
The petitioner lawyer Fanyamombo Kinothia, who is also a member of the forum, said it is time to make constitutional changes to cap the taxes the government can levy on Kenyans.
Unajua wanatumia V8 ya diesel. These politicians. Diesel is 200 shillings. But paraffin, mafuta taa ya mtu ya kupika ugali, is 202 shillings. So they are trying to finish the person at the bottom. Kenya Kwanza will get to a point where they can tax 99% of your salary, unabaki na shilingi moja.
KTN News has established that the petition will be seeking to have courts pronounce themselves on the matter and declare that a ceiling is set in the constitution on the amount of taxes one can pay. The petition proposes 20% as what the government should take from a person's earnings.
If the government taxes the people of Kenya beyond a certain percentage, that government should go.
Kenyans have been grappling with the skyrocketing cost of living that have been made worse by increased taxations as contained in the Finance Act of 2023. The highest paid form of tax being pay as you earn, which is almost 30%. From July this year, the tax collector scooped another 1.5% to finance the government affordable housing program. There are also pending bills that, if passed, will make Kenyans dig deeper into their pockets. For example, the Unemployment Insurance Bill 2023, sponsored by Ikolomani Member of Parliament Bernard Shinali, which suggests that employees contribute 1% of their income, with a corresponding 1.5% contribution from employers directed towards the Unemployment Insurance Fund. Other proposed legislations are contained in the Social Health Insurance Bill 2023, which aims to replace the National Hospital Insurance Fund and achieve universal healthcare UHC. If passed, every employee will contribute 2.75% of the gross pay to fund healthcare. Grace Nganga, KTN News, Nairobi.
You're watching Newsline. We take our first break.